This is Premier Water and Sewer doing a lateral inspection video for 5 Green Valley Court. Pushed out to the end of our repair. See, we pull up the vertical right there. There's where we took out the sanitary tee. Put just a regular 45 in there. Hard piped it all. Back to our cleanout right there. And it's really hooked onto the existing PVC. We're pulling back. All this was underwater yesterday when we took the video. Here we pull up the drop. Actually, this drop is on a T. As you can see there, it's not just a regular drop. There's a clean out cap on top. Pulling back. Coming underneath the driveway now. This is all 4-inch PVC from the house line to the main. Right here we get to a bottom of a drop. So about right here is our house line. Wanted to pause and clean the lens off. But right here we get to a bottom of a drop. Downstream side of this bottom of this drop is the house line. And I conclude the video.